Here's how to grow strawberries in Las Vegas. First, you'll need to know where you want to grow this. Pick a location that has sun and shade. Then, pick some soil. Most bag soils are slightly acidic, and that's perfect for strawberries. Then, you'll want a fertilizer that is high in phosphorus. This will help with root development. Strong roots that can draw up water will help the strawberry plant endure the summer heat. Then, pick a container. I recommend starting out in pots so you can move them around the yard and see which location they thrive in. Next, select the variety. Do you want all your harvests at once? If so, pick June bearing. If you want to snack on them every now and then, pick everbearings. Different varieties will give you different sizes and sweetness. Today, we're going to grow a strawberry tower. They say you need about 10 plants per person in the house. So make your own. I'm not sharing. You'll need some type of plastic lining to prevent the soil from falling out. Once the lining is inside, add the soil. You can slowly layer the soil or dump it in all at once. Once the lining is nice and tight and the soil's packed, start cutting the holes. Just use a pair of scissors and cut, like so. Now let's remove your starts. I recommend the longer dangling varieties to be on the top and the shorter ones to be below. Because the root ball is too big, we're going to have to insert it the other way. This is why I said to layer your soil. Be gentle and make sure the crown is exposed. You're going to want to skip every other hole so the roots have room to grow. You can do both sides or just one side. Just be aware that the sun is going to hit one side. This is actually a good thing because you might want the shade during the summer. You can add some marigolds or herbs as companion plants, but don't overdo it. Then give it a good water. Strawberries like moist soil, so don't use cactus soil. However, it doesn't like soggy soil, so remember to give it a drainage hole or two. I heard some people had success growing strawberries from strawberry tops, so we'll see. If you find a delicious strawberry that you want to try to grow, just chop off the top, put it in soil, cover it with dirt and water. If successful, it takes about 95 days for it to fruit. Good luck and